today I'm really excited because we have something awesome for Wednesday. Check it out. We've got this ginormous box full of, can you guess? I'll tell you, it's pretty cool. So Wednesday obviously has a list of things we gotta swap out. This, of course, being one of those cosmetic ones. And I'm really excited because this is gonna make a huge difference. Now, one headlight's not really too bad, but the one that's on the passenger side for whatever reason is bad. And check these bad boys out. Oh man, yes. So we're gonna be swapping these out. It's gonna give a huge facelift to Wednesday. Still need a paint job, but this is a huge step forward. Super excited, and bam. And every time I come out here too, I'm like, man, I gotta get Morticia done so we can get her on the road. She's close. We're almost there. Just gotta figure out the linkage. Maybe need some fluid in that drive line. But she's actually almost there. Remove all these. We're gonna put Wednesday here. So we gotta move this all around. So you can see, like, this side's actually not too bad. But this side is like yellowed. You can see how yellowed it is. So it's gonna be a huge upgrade. I'm pretty excited. And then we just have to figure out the paint, get some tires, get that one last noise, and she'll be dialed. Yeah, this is the only problem. So Grease is moving the white truck. Too many cars, you know. Car shuffle done. Now it's time to pull in our big, beautiful Ram. Alright, so we got the Ram in. Now we can start digging into headlights. Next step, removal. Now, luckily, a long time ago, we did an Oxedo headlight installation for our good buddy Fred, probably a few years ago now. But I'm guessing it's probably a similar process. So maybe that was kind of a real blessing in disguise, because maybe I'll kind of be familiar with it. It really should be a couple of bolts, and then it's got kind of a little ball and socket joint that pops out, and I think that's it. So as I was mentioning, you can see each corner's got, so we got 2 screws, maybe 3 on this side, and this is that kind of ball joint that pops in. So I do remember on Fred's, you basically have to just give it a good tug once you get to that point. So we should be good. Should be pretty easy. Okay, a little bit's coming back to memory for me, and I just dropped my clip. I'll have to find that 1 second. Ooh, yeah, so I need to move it back just a little bit because this is too tight of a space, and I'm too big of a dude, because we need to get in here. So that white rectangular clip at the top, we got to push down. I remember that for sure. And I have to, oh, and there's the bulb. Okay, so there's the bulb, right? There's the clip. And I think once we take those 2 off, then I think we just got a couple on top. And I think it's probably easy process, hopefully. Perfect angle. Here's one. Yeah, because I think the other bolt might be down there. That would make sense. Yeah, so we might need to remove this to get to that. But this one would be easy. We know where the clip is. Okay, we about got it sorted. Just referencing our new one. Yeah, so there's the, okay, yeah, so clip on top, clip on bottom. All right, so clip on top, clip on bottom. Okay, I think that should do it. Okay. And I forgot how we got to that one down there. don't think you can go through the grill. I think we had like a Mondo extension or something. I see it right there. There it is down there. Okay, so wait, righty tighty,
Lefty
loosey. There we go, that way. I had to get real creative because you can see how far down it is, and you'll love how I got this. Look at this. The only way I could get this far down is, I forget what you call it, breaker bar, this huge oversized extension, and then 2 extensions down to the size. But it works. So the hardest part is just seeing down that hole. Lefty loosey. Again, very easy. Not really torqued down at all, you know. I mean, they're just.
We should put elevator music over this.
Elevator music. Yeah. All right, so that white tab. So, okay, how you think we're doing so far? Remember, it's up or down. There we go.
Was it up or down? Up. Okay.
Up. Which makes sense because you'd be locking it into position. So now I think it should pop out, but it's still got that elbow joint in there, so we got to pop that off. You just want to make sure pull so you're not pulling on anything that doesn't want to have pressure. About these headlights is you obviously don't want to scratch that inside layer, but you've got to pop it out with enough pressure. How did we pull it out this time? So we were just watching a video. I was going to take the grill off. I took the this piece, and Grease actually just showed a video where the guy basically pushed it from this side. It just swung out. So I think we got it out of the knuckle, but we're just trying to see if we can pivot it out. So you got it.
Yeah, that's because there's like a hook right here.
A hook?
Right here. You gotta.
Here, show him. Tell him. What's the hook?
This one right here.
You gotta get past it, or what?
You gotta just jump it over.
Oh.
And then I just kind of slid that way, and then you just popped it
Look
out.
at all them cobwebs. Ooh. All right, hold on. Let me. So this should just. I need 2 hands. Hold on.
Delete that part right there when you're too scared, okay?
All right, we got it. Lift it up
Boom,
there.
baby.
Boom. All right. What do you think, Grease? Not terrible? Huh?
No.
Headlights.
This looks better because it's clear. It's not yellow.
Yeah.
There's always like those videos that show you how to get rid of like the yellow or the fog.
Yeah.
But I'm skeptical because if you look at the plastic, it's like thick deep inside. So anything you do on the surface is not gonna get inside.
Yeah.
So I'm just not buying it.
You really can't replace that layer of corrosion, and I mean, you got to take it off.
It goes deep in.
Yeah, for sure.
I feel like it starts from the inside and it works its way outwards, not inwards. Or maybe it goes inwards. It goes outwards, inwards.
Yep. All right, so let's kind of line it up, and here I'll plug it in. All right, so we got them plugged in, and now Grease is just seeing if she can work that thing back in there. Man, it's gonna make such a huge difference. I mean, compared to those. Oh yeah, baby. That's gonna be be nice. Yeah, Wednesday just turned a little bit because she was right up against here. The challenge is when you deal with, just a normal size garage. I'm going to say normal size because I think most houses probably have the same size garage. But anyways, so now we got to pop this one off. This one is in good shape-ish, but not really. I mean, you can still see it's got quite a bit of sun damage down here. And actually, I didn't notice that really until before, but man, does that not look outstanding. Ooh, baby. Just got to fix the paint. And she'll be doing good. I mean, we're getting there. Yeah, she needs a repaint. But, yeah, we're making good progress. Now we got this screw out already. Now I just need to get to this one. What is this thing in my way?
What is it?
Just that wire. See, that blue dot is where it's supposed to be, and that wire is right over the top of it. You can probably push it over, but I don't know what. Oh, maybe not. My hands are too big. Got the 2 screws out. The one on the bottom of this side's a little trickier. You can see on the video, for whatever reason, it's got that cable there. But then, of course, you got to pop it out of that knuckle, and then it should pop right out. Takes a little bit of wiggling and jockeying around a little bit, but it's not too bad. All right, so of course we missed filming it, but Grease popped it out, huh?
You did.
No, she did.
Where's the screw? Oh, here, let me grab the screw.
Yeah, last time, we forgot to record this, but we put the other headlight all the way back on. We had it all the way back on, and we forgot to fish the screws back out. Because especially this bottom one, it falls in the corner down there. Unless you've got we don't have a magnetic tip. So then when I put this back in on this side, I stuff a little piece of paper there and it holds the screw kind of nice. Actually, I learned that from Sam years ago. Huh?
Is there another one in here?
No, I pulled the other one. So, Mongrels, you be proud. Staying organized. Mongrels Garage. That's my boy. And Oli's, Dano, Bill Cameron Edge. There's so many. We don't have too many, but we have so many. Yes, we have so many garage YouTuber friends. It's like I can't list them all off. Frank McCart, a little riveted. Who else? Tim Windsor, Chef Shade Tree, Fox Can Fix It. Let's see how many I can name off the top of my head. We've got Pugly Speed Shop, Mater's Workshop, Neverboard S10 Addict. We've got let's see, Half-Assed Garage, Iron Horse Garage, Turlos Garage, Epi's Chop Shop, Outlaw Edge. We've got Mofo Driver, Wood and Metal Garage, 615 Garage, Drain Plug Garage, Desert Rat 2000. We've got Waste Talent Fabrications, Shopcat. Can't forget about Shopcat, Flatbroke Garage, Interesting, Junker Clunkers, Honest Paint and Speed Shop, 113, Hog Shooters. Who else? I know I'm still missing a bunch of people. P Street Garage, Nathan's Mopar Garage. I may have said Nathan's wrong. Bubba, Airs, CNC. Did I miss anyone, Grease? I think I got everybody. Stuff with Cletus. And BSB Garage. And I'm sure I'm still missing some other people. Destroyer, 1320. Anyways, if I missed you, I'm sorry. I really try to get everybody with that. So trick of the day for these bolts where they're way far down there, you put a little piece of paper and it does a good job of holding it so you can fish it in without losing your bolts. This is what I don't like. That cord is right where I need to be, right there. Wow. Oh, man. She's looking good. Dang. both sides done. And I'm not gonna lie, I love it. I love it. Want to pull her out in the sunlight, see how she really looks. Now if we get the rest of these cosmetic things and the last couple, I mean, she's making really awesome progress. So we almost have her dialed. Then we can get back working on Frankie and Morticia. And, but man, yeah, wow. That looks so much better. So happy with that. One thing I really like with these new ones, so these are old ones. You see how it has like these kind of like mesh, like shark fin looking things on the inside there? On here, they're black. And I don't know if it shows, but it looks really cool in person. Yeah, there you go. Old versus new, baby. Ho, ho, ho. I mean, you know, you see all these people do like these spray tricks, but look at the plastic itself. See how it's like physically cracked? You can't just wipe that off with some magic stuff. You know what I mean?
Right.
I mean, there's no fixing that.
I agree.
Alright, so this is the before